Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will be showing you that how we can install GarageBand application in the iOS 12.5.2, which is not supported. Uh, the GarageBand is supported with iOS 14, or we can download in iOS 13 also, but how we can download in iOS 12.5.2. So I will show you that how we can download GarageBand application in iPhone 6, iPhone 5s and the iPhone 6 Plus. These all three models are supported with this method. So make sure you guys you watch this video till very end if you want to install that app. So I request you to please subscribe to my channel if you are new here. So just open App Store and just search the GarageBand application. If this application shows in the search results, then I will show you that how we can download it if it's not showing in the search results. So I will just search it GarageBand. So you can see here this GarageBand application shows in the search results in my case, and it shows requires iOS 14 or later. But if this application not shows in your case, then how you can install this? But I can simply install this from this button here. But if your application is not showing from here or there or any in these search results, then how we can download it? Okay, so the basic question is that make sure you up to date your iOS 12.5.2 iPhone 6. Okay, this is the latest version for right now. And for installing the GarageBand or any of the unspotted application in the iOS 12.5.2, the what means to we just need to tap on this profile section here, and you will see, and the below of the Apple ID you will see purchase section here. Just tap on this purchase section, and now here is this search bar where you can search here GarageBand, and the GarageBand will show us in the search results. And now we can simply click on the download button, and again it's showing this requires iOS 14 or later, and it shows download the older version of app. This current version requires iOS 14 or later, so we can download the most compatible version with iOS 12.5. It means that they are downloading the version that is ported with iOS 12.5.2. So I will just click on simply download, so it will download the older version of that app. So you guys can see here the download is started successfully, and now it will be downloaded in my iPhone. So it's showing waiting right now. The size of this app is large amount of, you can see here is the here's not showing the size, but the size is 1.4 GB. That's why my internet connection is slow, that's why it's taking too long. You can see here the downloading has been started here. So this is the simple way. I am not going to download it. This is the simple way we can use this app to use the ringtones in our iPhone 6. I hope you find this method helpful to download the GarageBand in iPhone 6. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned guys. Please hit subscribe button. Thank you.